Now let's duplicate or copy the floors across all levels. There are two methods of copying elements in Revit, using the copy tool and the copy to clipboard tool. The copy tool is used when you want to copy an element and place it immediately, such as pasting in the same view. But to copy the floor across levels, we will use the copy to clipboard tool. The copy to clipboard tool is used when you need to switch views before placing the copies, or when you need to copy elements from one level to another. Let's demonstrate this by selecting the floor. Under the Modify tab, click on the Copy to Clipboard tool. Now locate the Paste from Clipboard tool and click on the drop-down icon just underneath that tool. Align to selected levels and select level 1. The floor is now duplicated on level 1. With the floor on level 1 selected, change the floor type to the one you see on screen. Now let's copy the floor on level 1 across the other floors. Again, make sure the right floor is selected and copy the floor to the clipboard. Under the Paste from Clipboard, make sure all the levels you want to paste the floor into is selected. This time around, I will select levels 2 up to level 11. You will notice that the floor and walls on level 1 are clashing with one another.